you know that your chapters, files and folders are completed, and in today's video I will explain the exercise questions of this chapter. So students, the first exercise questions are tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Their questions are: a folder created inside another folder is called. So you know that if you create a folder inside another folder, that folder is called subfolder. This is very simple question. Next one is the button that takes you to parent folder of the current folder. So I earlier explained to you this signs, this up sign will reach to you, will move to you in the parent folder. So this is the answer. Next one is the part of File Explorer Windows that displays the various drives and devices connected to your computer. So what is the part, the MCQ, that means the options are given: navigation pane, address bar and status bar. So I said to you how you can go to File Explorer. Just go to there first. There is option File Explorer. Click on here. You reach to the File Explorer. I said to you this upside is title bar. This complete title, in the title bar there are minus, that is minimize button, uh, that is restore down, and this is close button, and this customize quick access toolbars are also here, and this one restore, minimize and close buttons. Next one, this comes to the ribbon part. These all from till this. This is quick access, that means address bar you can say, and this is search box, and this area is called content pane, and this area is called navigation pane. So can you people see easily over here? Uh, Here you can see the navigation part, you can see the drives, folders, everything over here. Just see here. The question is the part of the File Explorer window that display the uh, various drives and devices connected to your computer. The answer will be navigation way. Sorry, just one, navigation pane. Why? Because address bar cannot see you. Address bar are used to go. That means there are the path of reaching to that place. And next is status bar. So status bar is downside, this strip. This one is called status bar of File Explorer that are having the this one button, this button display the information about each item in the windows. This one is having display the items by using large thumbnails, that are thumbnail buttons, and this buttons also, and it will show the items, how many items right now open. So you can see 1 2 3 4, 4 items are open. That's why it is showing the option here. The 10 items are open. Just count 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 items are here, so that's why it is showing 10. So it cannot be like this. So this option is wrong, this option is wrong, so that means this option will be correct. Next one, a program in Windows that allows you to work with the files and folder. You know this program of Windows is called File Explorer. Next question, the key used to select multiple files not in a sequence. If you want to select a files in a sequence, then you will press shift, but you want to select a files in not a sequence, then you will press control button. Suppose, let me show you. Suppose you want to select this, I am going to document folder, I want to select this one and this one. So this is in sequence. If you press shift, then it will select it like this, just see here. But if you want to select this one, then this one you cannot select by the shift, you can just press control button, then this one. I think you people are able to see how you can select by the control button. So option will be control. Next, come to the fill in the blanks question. A is a container that helps you to organize your files. Which helps you to organize your file? That is container also, so you can say a folder. A folder, that is the option of A. This is option of A. Sorry. This is A option, folder. Here will be folder is a container that helps you to organize your files. By looking, the second question, by looking at you can tell what kind of file it is. You know that by the file icon you can understand which type of files it is, because I explained you the notepad, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, these are different icons. So by the icons you can understand. So this is the option B. Next one, by looking, I'm sorry, third one. This one icon in front of the folder indicate that it contains what? It contains subfolders. Okay. So this is the option of C. Next question. That displays the complete location of the current file or folder. You know that address bar. The address bar displays this is the option of D. Okay. Next question. A deleted file or folder can be restored from you know that it can be restored from the recycle bin. So this is the option of E. So A, B, C, D, E. These are the options of your questions. Next one. True and false questions. A folder cannot be created within another folder. This is wrong, because you can create a folder inside another folder, and that folder is called subfolder. You can change the view of files in a folder. You can change the views of files in a folder. Definitely you can change the views. I can show to you. Just go to here. Go to document. So these are the files. This school logo. These are the files. You go to view and large icons, you can see the view, it is changed right now. So you can change, definitely you can change it. So this is true. Next one, a file name extension helps Windows to understand what kind of information is in a file. Definitely it is true. By the extension, your Windows understand which type of file is this. Next one, a file can include the characters. This is wrong, because if you cannot write your file name which are having this type of symbols. So this is false. Next question. You can search a file by typing its name in the search box of File Expo. You can search a file. Definitely you can search a file by typing its name in the search box. This is true. So these are the question answers. Answer the following questions. So these answers I will discuss after completing this chapter. That means right now it is completed. So next time when I will make the videos, then I will discuss your question. Either I will make the videos, or I will write the answers on the word pad and I will send to you. So thank you students. You must watch this video, and if you like my video, then you must like and subscribe, and also you can write some comments also. And students, the necessary thing is you must be very serious with your study. Thank you.